Hello folks, and welcome back to my channel. As promised, I'm doing a quick comparison between my HamGeek 6699 and my 40 years old President Lincoln, which is also known as President HR 2510. Beside the fact the fan is very loud, let me turn it off. So, and as you can hear, you hear nothing. Let me turn it on again. Yeah, it's ridiculous loud. Yeah, beside that fact, the radio is still a bit off frequency. I'm on 28699.9 on the HamGeek and I'm on 28700 on the Lincoln. Today is Sunday and it's the last day of the CQ Worldwide phone contest. So let's listen to a number of stations. I heard an Echo Alpha 1 station before, so let me switch to the HamGeek first. Yeah, perfect. Now he's not calling anymore, so let me find another station. Here's a strong station, Whiskey 4 November Fox.
November Fox. You got that, Whiskey 4 November Fox, Whiskey 4 November Fox.
And here comes the Lincoln. Here's another one.
Entry, Kilo Whiskey 7 Mike Mike. Whiskey 08 Papa phone entry. Kilo Whiskey 7 Mike Mike. Hotel Bravo 9 Fox Mexico Uniform phone entry. Thank you, Sugar Victor Station. Sugar Mexico 40 Lima Golf X-ray phone entry. Roger phone entry. Thank you, Kilo Whiskey 7 Mike Mike. Mike 0 Whiskey Lima phone entry.
Hotel Papa 49 Yankee.
Tango 7 Bravo Tango Lima.
Alpha Yankee Zulu, Yankee Zulu.
Okay, heading Yankee Zulu only, Yankee Zulu. Mexico Whiskey 0 Papa Yankee Zulu 599. QSL, now the Oscar November.
Oscar November 5 Uniform Juliet 599.
Thanks, Papa 49 Yankee.
Charlie Tango 7 Bravo Tango Lima.
Bravo 4 Yokohama 599. Okay, we're due, but thanks, Papa 49 Yankee. John?
Thank you, 1 4, hold the fast 7, 3, bye-bye. CQ Contest, Oscar Echo 4 Charlie, CQ Contest. Oscar Echo 4 Charlie. CQ Contest, Oscar Echo 4 Charlie, CQ Contest. Oscar Echo 4 Charlie. CQ Contest, Oscar Echo 4 Charlie, CQ Contest, Oscar Echo 4 Charlie. Tango Foxtrot. Kilo 5 Tango Foxtrot Echo. Kilo 5 Tango Foxtrot.
Okay, I have to say, Oscar Echo 4 Charlie's signal strength here on the HamGeek is way too much. He is plus 20 here, and that's not the truth. First of all, my antenna is not pointing to him. Second, he is around a small hill, and I know his signal strength when he's running his amplifier. And that's not 9 plus 20, that's more like NS.
Alpha Delta 3 Tango 599.
S8, S9 maybe, but not 9 plus 20. So this S meter is showing way too much.
Papa Zulu 5 Delta X-ray. Papa Delta 7 Mike Victor Zulu 599. Yes, Papa Zulu 5 Delta X-ray. Papa Alpha 2 Zulu 599. Yes, Papa Zulu 5 Delta X-ray. Papa 105 Delta X-ray. United 0 Delta Fox November 599. Yes, Papa Zulu 5 Delta X-ray.
Watch the noise level. S8. Now watch the president linking. Maybe this S meter is showing a little bit less. But this is way too high. Just a quick transmission test on the linking. 1, 2, 3, 4 test. 1, 2, 3, 4 test. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Testing 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, there's a little bit of an audio feedback, of course. The linking is more or less exactly on frequency because I tweaked this radio, and yeah, that's working fine. I found no way to tune this 102.
Call Ford, Delta Bravo Whiskey 598. Thank you, Juergen, November Papa 4 Victor Mike.
Oscar Echo 4, Juliet Hotel Whiskey.
1 Sierra 598. Thank you, Juergen.
Oscar Echo 4, Juliet Hotel Whiskey.
Victor Charlie 3 Zulu. Victor Charlie 3 Zulu 598. Thank you, Juergen, November Papa 4 Victor Mike.
Oscar Echo 4, Juliet Hotel Whiskey.
Zero.
Okay, no
Alpha
way
Zero.
with 10 watts. It's showing only 10 watts, but it should be more.
Negative, Juergen, November Papa 4 Victor Mike.
Oscar Echo 4, Juliet Hotel Whiskey.
Oscar.
Oscar Echo 4, Juliet Hotel Whiskey.
Yankee Oscar 5 only. Yankee Oscar 9.
Juliet Papa 2, Juliet Fox Yankee 595. Juliet Golf Yankee, Juliet Golf Yankee? Japan, Florida Yankee 595.
Okay, and because of both radios are CB radios, let's go to the 11 meter band and listen. I'm not allowed to transmit with these radios because they are not certified for the 11 meter band. So yeah, you know what I mean. And of course, I have never used such radios illegal in the past. So let's go to the 11 meter band. Where's the band button? Down here. I haven't used this radio for a while now. Let's go to 27 and let's go to the 555. There's a little bit of noise here, but now look how quiet it is.
Hello, 580. I'm you.
And now let's switch over to the HamGeek. Yeah. Okay, this static noise that sounds like a car engine ignition. This is more or less the same, but in my opinion, it's more audible on the HamGeek, maybe because of the front-firing speaker.
This is a shout-out for Diego in Brazil. Diego in Brazil, can't remember your call sign. This is the Irish station 29 on the Tango 3084 calling for Diego in Brazil.
The S meter is showing constantly S9 plus here. And on the linking,
This is a call out for Diego in Brazil. This is 29 on the Tango 3084, standing by.
Oh, CQWW 68, Charlie Tango 1958, listen.
well, I thought this is maybe something you would like to see. So, this is an President Grand 1, the nice one with the silver front. This is how CB radios should look like. No, just kidding. The background noise here is at S1, S2 maybe, and he is speaking 59 plus, a station from Spain. Listen to that noise. And now on the ground, I'm now on CB channel 9. This is the Grand. This is the HamGeek. He is in SSB. Now on channel 39 in the CB band. This is the Grand.
Hey, 999 Boston, you take care and God bless, man. Good sounding station coming out of that New England state of Boston, or New England state of Massachusetts. Take care and God bless. 73, your friend over here in the bullpen, northeast Texas. 252, we're on the
He's from Texas.
How you doing, brother? Sounding good. Yeah, man. So
yeah, the other station from Texas was more or less exactly on the same frequency than the HamGeek. I don't know what that's now. This is a synthetic voice.
Roger. I can't say that about my number. I think that there's a guy out in Florida, and probably a couple more. There's one in Pennsylvania, there's one in Florida, and I think there's one up in Canada as well. And I know Tommy over in Wales, he's got the 252 number, Jolly Roger 252, and so I don't lay the claim that I'm the original. I'm just one of them, Roger.
There's another strong station from the States on channel 40. That's the Grand. There's also someone talking in FM in the background.
Yeah, copy that. I'd like to get my vector back up and I'd like to use it. Yeah, time is pretty short now.
On channel 39, I heard a station from Ontario, Canada.
Germany, you copy 309. 309, Ontario, Canada. Okay, Germany, you got 309. 309, you're Niagara Falls, Ontario, Canada. QFL 309. 309, Ontario, Canada.
I have to admit, this station is better or more audible on the HamGeek. That's the Grand. Okay, come on. Keep calling.
Roger that, I appreciate that. You're blowing smoke here, you're running about 7 there, right? Roger that. What kind of radio did you have?
Okay, let me turn the volume down. I forgot to mention, I've set the HamGeek to channel mode by pressing 147, 258 and then menu. So that's now in channel mode. And in channel mode, in single sideband, there is no way to fine-tune the frequency. Here on the Grand, you have this fine and coarse dial where you can tune the station in. That's up, that's down. But in channel mode on the HamGeek, you don't have this possibility. But I have to admit, it seems to work better on 11 meter than on the other bands. Okay, of course, they say it's a CB radio and it's not a ham radio. You can work on 15 meters, you can work on 12 meters, you can work on 10 meters, but it's designed as a CB radio. And yeah, beside that, the S meter is showing too much and the noise level is obviously very high because the S meter is showing too much. It seems to be okay, let's say. Let's tune over the 11 meter band. Okay, channel 9 is still in AM. Let's go to no.
Oh la la booyah!
Here is calling in AM. Oops. Not CW. Come on. Not CW. It's so hard to read this. This sounds like Brazilian Portuguese. Yeah, okay. Let me turn the volume down. Yeah, once again, it's a CB radio, and I guess on the 11 meter band it works as expected. Of course, you can work on ham bands and you can have fun with it. Check out my shorts I have done with this radio. And yeah, on CB it's working fine. If you are in channel mode and you use it in your car, then it's great. Not great, but it's okay. But for the use on the ham bands, fiddling around with the frequency dial. Yeah, that's not perfect, but it's not designed to use it. Once again, it's not designed to use it on ham bands. Okay folks, that's it for the moment, and yeah, give the video a thumbs up and see you soon. 7-3, bye bye.